In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Docusign account email. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. You can do this by typing Docusign into your search engine or entering their web address directly into the URL bar. Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and agreement management, providing a secure and efficient way to manage and sign documents online. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first. Otherwise, enter your login credentials to access your Docusign homepage, where all your documents and settings are available. At your Docusign home, locate your profile section. This is often represented by an icon or a link labeled Profile, found either on the top navigation menu or within a drop-down under your account name or picture. Click on Profile to view options related to your account settings. Next, click on Manage Profile. This section allows you to update your personal information, including your email address. Keeping your profile information up to date ensures seamless communication and access to Docusign services. Within the Manage Profile interface, look for the option labeled Email Address. Click on it to go to the email update section. Here, you can change your current email to a new one. Enter your new email carefully. Accuracy is crucial, as Docusign will use this email for all important communications, including verification emails, notifications of signed documents, and account updates. After entering your new email, click the Confirm or Save button. Docusign will likely send a verification email to your new address. Open another tab or your email client, check your inbox, and follow the instructions in the email to confirm and activate your new address. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Docusign account email in just a few simple steps. If you encounter any issues, Docusign's support team is available to assist. Keeping your account information current ensures smooth operations and timely communications for all your Docusign activities. Thanks for joining, and happy signing.